If you are selling your own branded items in physical retail stores, it is necessary to have a UPC or an EAN printed on your packaging. On the other hand, if you are only offering your branded items on Amazon, such as private label products, there is a frequent misconception that you must provide a GTIN, UPC, or EAN in order to create a listing. In reality, Amazon gives you the option to request what is known as a GTIN Exemption. This exemption allows you to create your listing without attaching a UPC or EAN, and it can help you avoid paying the often high fees charged by GS1. When you begin setting up a brand name listing, two key fields are required: brand name and external product ID. The external product ID is essentially another name for a GTIN, UPC, or EAN. Your first step is to type in your brand name. You will also notice an option that says, "This product does not have a brand name." If you select that option, Amazon will mark the listing as generic, which means your brand name will not appear on the product page unless you later receive formal approval through Amazon's systems. This generic selection is acceptable in cases where you are listing an unbranded item or a bundle that does not belong to a single brand. However, if you are a private label seller and want your brand name visible, you should avoid choosing the generic option and make sure your actual brand name is entered. The next requirement is to add either a UPC or an EAN. At this stage, you will also see a choice labeled "I do not have a product ID." When you select this and continue, Amazon will generate two types of error messages. The first error message will state "Brand name approval required." This means you have entered a brand name that has not yet been officially approved by Amazon, so you must apply to have permission to list under that brand name. The second error message will say GTIN Exemption required. This appears because you indicated that your product does not have a product ID, which means you need to apply for Amazon's approval to list the product without one.